Welcome to today's episode of Writing Like. We'll be going over how to write a sea shanty with chord progression and melody tips. Let's get started. Though oftentimes vocal arrangements, we can still mimic the sound of a sea shanty with certain chord progressions. One common example is this: the minor 1 to the major 7, back to the minor 1, and then a turnaround with a dominant 5. This example can be heard in the famous sea shanty, "What Shall We Do with a Drunken Sailor?" To write our own sea shanty, let's use our example progression again, but this time in the key of C minor. Our chords would be C minor, B flat major, and G dominant 7. Putting the progression into a vamp also helps evoke the style. Now we have this. For our melody, we want to focus on chord tones and repeated notes. And one melodic rhythm you could start with sounds like this. And when you add in the melody over the chord progression, you now have a completed sea shanty. And that's it. Sea shanties are a ton of fun to write, and though specialized, can expand your songwriting horizons into more styles of music. As a special ending, I want to finish with another famous sea shanty song to show that there are plenty of options and directions you can go. I hope this video helps you in your songwriting process, and thank you for watching.